Students, we will be discussing this question and its solution. The question consists of two parts, A, B. A part says that we have to write the steps involved in the extraction of pure metals in the middle of the activity series from their carbonate ores. Extraction of pure metals from their carbonate ores. And the B part is how is copper extracted from its sulfide ore, and explain the various steps supported by chemical equations, and also draw label diagram for the electrolytic refining of copper. So let us see to the solution. The solution says, for A part, what were the three steps which were involved in the extraction of pure metals from their carbonate ores? So the three steps are, first is calcination, second is reduction, and third is purification. These three steps are performed in series. If not in series, then we would not get desired results. So if you write these three, you will get full marks. B part said that how can we extract copper from its sulfide ore, Cu from sulfide. So we have to write the supported equations. Sulfide ore of copper is heated in air. Then these are the following two equations which would follow. 2Cu2S plus 3O2 gives 2Cu2O plus 2SO2, and 2Cu2O plus Cu2S gives 6Cu and SO2. So we can find that copper is extracted. Now there was another demand of diagram. C part said that we have to draw the label diagram for electrolytic refining of copper. So you would have to draw the diagram and not explain, but just label it that this is cathode, this is anode, and this is acidified copper sulfate solution which is used, and this you can say this is tank, these are impurities, and the key and all the wire and the flow of electrons. That's it. If you would draw and label it this much, you would get full marks.